It is Monday, it is the very start of a new week, and what that probably means to most of you guys is that you're either going back to work or back to school. So most of all, I really just want to wish all of you a really good week ahead, and other than that, I'm just gonna stop yapping and let's see if we get anything. And that Gengar art is so sick. Imagine if they made that a full art, but unfortunately it's a stinker. Let's add it up. We managed to add 2 new cards to the collection, and we are now approaching 50% completion. 46% done. Let's go.